So this course is a journey through J.R.R. Tolkien's masterwork, The Lord of the Rings. And this is a text that I have been exploring since I was 13 years old, and then have been delving more into the scholarship behind Tolkien's work for, oh gosh, the last 20 years at least. And so this is really an opportunity to read through The Lord of the Rings with a guide who's been on the journey many times before, and to be able to explore not only the subtleties and kind of hidden details of the story itself, but the backstory, translations of the languages. Tolkien invented 14 languages that are used throughout The Lord of the Rings. And I've designed the course so that it will appeal both to newcomers to Tolkien's world and also to veteran travelers of Middle-earth. Um, so it's a course that I really absolutely love teaching because it gives an opportunity for people to experience Tolkien's writing and the world of Middle-earth in a new, sometimes deeper way. And it can be very transforming in terms of one's relationship to the imagination and to the archetypal realm and understanding our co-creative participatory connection with that.